The battery was in, fuel was in the tank, so why wouldn't this classic Aprilia start?
This thing is a 50cc street bike that does 70 miles an hour because it's got 6 gears.
This classic Aprilia was getting a full garage refresh before heading back on the road. First came the basic maintenance, fairing off, old oil out, and fresh oil back in. Next came the starting power, a new HEOMAITO powersports battery installed in the Aprilia.
Here we go, we got our battery installed, hooked up.
Time for the first real test.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because...
The Aprilia was running again, and now there was only one thing left to do. From garage maintenance to a real ride, this classic Aprilia was finally back on the road.
Alright, well obviously that battery worked great. If you guys are looking for a power sports battery, make sure to head on over to HEOMAITO. You notice this is a real small battery and it had plenty of power. So I definitely recommend these.
One garage project, one simple mistake, and one more bike back where it belongs.